Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Side Hustles That Pays. If you've ever dreamt of making money online while enjoying the comfort of your home, then you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the world of freelance writing, a field I'm particularly passionate about and where I've found significant success. Freelance writing offers the incredible flexibility of working from anywhere, setting your own hours, and the potential to earn impressively. Ready to get started? Let's unfold the blueprint to launch your freelance writing career. Embarking on your freelance writing journey can seem daunting at first, but with the right strategies and resources, you'll be on your way to success. Let me walk you through a detailed, step-by-step process based on proven methods that have worked for countless writers, including myself. 1. Leveraging Google for opportunities. First things first, let's harness the power of Google. Open your browser and type in "Write for Us" followed by your chosen niche. This approach is particularly effective for uncovering guest posting opportunities on various blogs and publications. For example, if you're into personal finance, your search might look like "Write for Us Personal Finance." You'll be surprised at how many sites are looking for contributors and are willing to pay for your expertise. This is how I discovered my first major opportunity, contributing to a site known as moneycrashers.com, where I started building my portfolio and making meaningful connections. 2. whopicewriters.com, a treasure trove of insights. Next, head over to whopicewriters.com. This invaluable resource compiles reports from writers about their earnings from various publications. It's an excellent way to gauge which magazines, websites, or newspapers pay for submissions and how much they pay. While the rates reported can vary, this site offers a great starting point for targeting higher-paying gigs. Remember to do your due diligence and verify the information by visiting the publication's official site or contacting their editorial team. 3. ProBlogger Job Board, your go-to for quality gigs. Another fantastic resource is the ProBlogger Job Board. Renowned in the freelance writing community, ProBlogger lists a wide array of writing jobs across different niches. Companies post their requirements, including topics, ideal candidate profiles, and sometimes, the pay rate. It's a great place to find both freelance and full-time writing opportunities with reputable organizations. For instance, companies like Credit Donkey often post listings seeking business and finance writers, offering competitive rates for quality content. 4. Facebook groups, your networking goldmine. Don't underestimate the power of niche-specific Facebook groups. These platforms are fantastic for finding both job postings and invaluable advice from fellow writers. Join groups related to your writing niche and regularly search for posts tagged with "writer needed" or similar phrases. Engaging with these communities not only opens up job opportunities, but also helps you stay updated with industry trends and build your network. 5. Mastering freelance marketplaces. Lastly, explore freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com. While starting out can be challenging, focusing on building a strong profile and earning positive reviews can set you apart. Consider offering discounted rates to your first few clients in exchange for honest reviews. This strategy helps build your reputation and attract more clients. Stepping into freelance writing is like embarking on an exciting journey, full of learning and growth opportunities. Remember, building a solid portfolio is key. Start by contributing guest posts, blogging, or publishing on platforms like Medium. Stay persistent, and you'll see your efforts pay off. That's it for today's guide on launching your freelance writing career with Side Hustles That Pays. If you've got questions or additional tips, share them in the comments below. Remember, work smarter, not harder, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on making money online. Until next time, keep writing and thriving.